everybody, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a notebook from databricks. Okay, this is my databricks account. I'm working on Azure platforms, so today I'm gonna show you how to create a notebook. Okay, so let's go start it. I'm using a trial platform, a trial plane. So just have 11 days until it's gonna end. Okay, and during this day I'm gonna create different videos about databricks, sharing with you many things I've been learning during this time. So first of all, to create a notebook, we just have to come here. As you can see here, we have different options. First, import and transform data. We have notebooks, SQL, SQL query editor, and auto. And this is the first option. But you can also come to here, workflow, and then you're gonna see these options here. You just have to click here, workspace, and here you can see a shared tools, shared notebooks or shared folders, and we're gonna click here on users. You have this folder here. Here you can find the trash folders. But to access the notebook we've created, or to create a notebook, we just have to click here down, and now you can see I've already created some folders here with like a folder to store my queries, and I have this folder here that I've created to create my pipeline here, today I'm gonna show you just how to create a notebook. This is the first some notebook I've created last day, and here I've implemented some code here. So this is now what we're going to do today. We just have to come back to here and go to workspace, user, and here you have the option to create a notebook. Okay, it's very easy. So first, come to workspace, and you have to select workspace, and then your user space, and here you can find a folder. You can create a folder here by clicking on your right. You just gonna see these windows here, and you can see different options like open a new tab, create folder, create git folder, query, alert dashboard, notebook. You can import data, export, TV search, archive, resource file, and HTML files. You can also copy URL path for whatever you want, share permissions, and undo favorite. We're gonna create a notebook. Okay, you got basically three options here. By here, click on create and select notebook, or you can come here to select this option notebook, or you can also go to the main page where you can find the option to create a notebook here. So we're gonna pass to here. I'm gonna use this option here. Okay, and then here I'm gonna create notebook. I'm gonna call this notebook here is let me rename this notebook here, and I'm gonna give to rename the notebook, you just have to click on your right and then you click on rename, or you just have to click here, okay, double click here, and then you put the name you want. Here I'm gonna say like web all, yeah, exercises or Python problems. Okay, that's it. And so you can see here, and you just have to come here as well, like for Python problems. Okay. Okay, that's it. You see here. Then what I'm gonna do here, and you see that you have the option to use AI here, artificial intelligence, which is tool that works as assistant, like Git Copilot. You can use this AI to ask something like you can ask the AI to create some script in Python, SQL, wherever you want. But first, you have to understand that you can use different types of languages here, but limited by just SQL, Scala, and R. You can use Python or this type of language, and you can change here if you want to use. This is basically your notebook is this this block here. This is your notebook, and you can find which language you want to use. Just click here and select the language you want to use. You just have opportunity to work with Python, SQL, Scala, and R. And also you can change by clicking here. You just can come here and just select the language you want here. And also you can work with different types of languages as well. I mean, imagine that you want to work with Python and R, or if you want to work with Python and SQL as well. Just say I'm gonna create some test here to identify which notebook is this one. So you just have to click here, just come with your cursor up of the notebook, and you're gonna see these options here to create a code block, and here just have you see the test one, and I'm gonna create here some test, and this is the code. If you delete this code, you just gonna transform this block to code block. But if you put percentage and d, you then put the coordinate and say Python code, and let's see, you're gonna see that. See, this is the test. Identify the title to identify this section here, and if you remove this coordinate, it just became like this. Yeah, turns not like this. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna put like this sweet bola, beautiful, and then I'm gonna create another one, which is SQL. I'm gonna say here it's SQL code, or like yep, SQL code. And here I'm gonna use and try to ask to this AI or to this assistant to create some code Python, like create or like say hello. Say hello world with Python. Let's wait. Just have to wait a minute. Okay, there is an error here, API error. The response was filtered to the prompt triggering Azure OpenAI's content management policy. So please, okay, maybe there is a problem with these. I don't know what's going on. So maybe it's good. Maybe it work with for you, but to me, it's not working. Yeah, it was working last day, but today I don't know what's going on. It's just stopped to work. So yeah, whatever. I don't need it. Okay. So guys, I just have to create a code like I'm gonna say just like print hello world, and I have just to I just have to click here to run. Just have to click here, run cell. I have 5 options here. The first one, run the cell, which allows you to run only the cell, and you have the option to run a specific line of code, and you can run the cell above or the cell above this one. So I'm gonna run this cell here. Okay, we just have to wait a minute, and my computer, automatic computer resource connect sources, automatic server connect to computer source. Okay guys, finally it's done. You can see the message is here, hello world, and you print it here, and here you got the option to work with a terminal. If you want to print these if you want to work with databricks and terminal, just click on terminal and you see these winners here. And in order to have some overview about databricks, you just have to click to say databricks. Okay, databricks, and you see here no, put here databricks. It's actually it's databricks. It's okay. Databricks. Yeah, that's it. So you can see here different options to use databricks by SQL, Unicode algo, and you can use data sharing settings, vector search, dashboard, and other things. So I'm gonna face this one. If you want to try something more complex, like let's say a list of names, and say a name, it's the window, and I have age like 30, 20, and you got another name here, which is I'm gonna put here some like I'm gonna include here tuber, or numbers. Yeah, numbers. I'm gonna say is like this 12, 34, and there this. And here I'm gonna say it's Isaac, age 20, maybe 26, and numbers. It's gonna be like 400 and 934. Okay, that's it. Another thing what we can do is for we're gonna iterate this this list here. We say per inner in persons. We're going to print and say name, which is be like name, and I'm gonna say like numbers. Let me get the numbers. Okay, the numbers are clear numbers. And yeah, that's it. Now it's print this. I think I have an error here. The numbers, okay, attribute ticked, object is not attribute, attribute name, name, copy in persons, get put a post for name, dictionary does not have yeah, it's not like that. Okay, now it's okay, it's running. Okay, Larindo got number this, and Isaac, it's Isaac. Yeah, now it's done. And guys, so let's see that you want to create an SQL data. You just have to create another cell here and just come here and say SQL, select which language you want to use. You just which one in new here, click here and say select. I want to take the year, the current year here, and I'll say current date. From current date, I'm gonna select the year on the year. Okay, I have the year here, and if you want to get a month, just have to say month. This way you get a month. Okay, it's 8, and if you want to get day, just put day, and that's it. It's 20. By the way, it's my birthday today. Okay, today is my birthday. I'm child today. The first child coding and databricks. So guys, this is it, and see you next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and make comment if you would like. Cheers.